Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato sauce without vinegar. Many recipes use vinegar for acidity and preservation, but you can achieve a vibrant, flavorful sauce using natural ingredients and careful cooking. We'll explore how to select the right tomatoes and other components to create a perfectly balanced sauce that's both rich and naturally bright. Let's get started on crafting your perfect homemade sauce. Starting with the right ingredients is crucial. Choose very ripe, sweet tomatoes, such as San Marzano or Roma varieties, as they naturally have lower acidity. Begin by gently sautéing finely chopped garlic and onion in olive oil until translucent. This foundational step builds a deep, aromatic base for your sauce. A small pinch of sugar can also help to mellow any lingering tartness from the tomatoes, enhancing their natural sweetness. Once your ingredients are combined, the cooking process is key. Allow the sauce to simmer gently for at least 45 minutes, or even longer, to allow the flavors to meld and deepen. This slow cooking also helps to naturally reduce the sauce, creating a thicker, more concentrated consistency without needing any artificial thickeners. Remember to taste and adjust your seasonings, like salt and freshly ground pepper, as it cooks. After your delicious, vinegar-free tomato sauce has cooled, you can store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer preservation, freeze individual portions. It will keep well for up to 3 months, ready for a quick meal anytime. This versatile sauce is perfect for pasta, pizza, or as a base for other dishes. Also, make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.